in our first lesson together, we are going to talk about some money, and we're going to talk about cutting expenses. So oftentimes we are trying to save money and we have to decide where are we going to cut some of the things that we spend. And so there is an example in a previous page in this workbook that I used where Mary spent $180 more per month and $2,160 more per year than her budget allowed. And it asked, how can she cut her expenses? And so this is something that people do on a regular basis. And so we're going to look at one example. So it says Mary needs to cut her expenses. She spends $2.50 per day during the week on a coffee. So she grabs coffee every day on the way to work. How much would she save if she stopped getting her coffee at the coffee shop? So when we go through this, we need to know a few different things. So we know that her coffee costs $2.50 each day. She gets her coffee 5 days a week, and she goes 52 weeks out of the year. So if I take those three numbers, 250, 5, and 52, and I multiply them together, that means that if she started making her coffee at home, instead of buying it every day, she would save $650 per year. So I'm going to do a couple of examples here with you, and then you have some more examples on the back of this page to work through and see some of the places where and calculate some of these things. So Michelle pays $85 per month for a fitness membership. So this $85 per month, okay? And she rarely uses it. She barely goes to the gym. How much money can she save in 1 year if she quits the fitness center? So we are going over the course of 1 year. So I know a couple of things. I know that it costs her $85 per month. And I know that in 1 year, there are 12 months. So when I do this math, if she were to quit her gym membership, 85 times 12 gives us $1,020. So if she were to stop paying for the gym membership that she doesn't use, she would save $1,020 a year. So we're going to do the second one, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of information here that might help you as you do some of the other questions. Lois buys about 3 packs of cigarettes per week. Cigarettes are $12.50 per pack. How much money can she save in 1 year if she quits smoking? So she pays $12.50 times 3 packs a week times 52 weeks in a year. So if Lois quits smoking, $12.50 times 3 times 52, she would save $1,950 per year. So as you go through these questions, check to see what is the dollar amount, how often are they spending that, and how long are we wanting to see this for. Now, a couple of pieces of information that are going to be helpful. 1 year is 12 months, and that's also 52 weeks. Okay? Another thing that's important is that a half year is 26 weeks. So I know there's a question on the back side that talks about that, about a half year. So 26 weeks would be a half year. And I think everything else should be pretty there, and you should be able to get that. So as long as you have those couple of things, you should be good to go. Let me know if you have any questions though.